Hello, welcome to Educraft World YouTube channel. My name is Johnson, and in this video tutorial, we're going to be looking and discussing about WordPress. What exactly is WordPress? Before we go into the tutorial proper, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also like the video and click the notification button so that you can be aware of any new videos that we upload. WordPress is an open source software that you can actually use to create beautiful websites. You can use it to create a blog or a web app with beautiful designs. It actually provides powerful features and gives you the freedom to build any type of website that you actually want. And the most advantage thing about it is that WordPress is actually free and also priceless at this time. Though you need to upgrade some of the plugins you're going to be making use of when you make use of WordPress. WordPress is a simple and easily accessible platform that you can actually use to design your websites or blog and post on the internet. It is actually believed that it powers more than 56% of all the websites on the internet. And I tell you, that is not a small feat. So if you're not using WordPress to design your website, it means you're actually missing out a lot. WordPress is actually divided into two parts, two platforms. We have the WordPress.org and we have the WordPress.com. Now, the .org is actually free, while the .com is not. So our focus here is actually on .org. So you may actually wonder how come the .org is free. The fact is that WordPress is an open source software, and there are thousands of software engineers all over the world working day and night to actually make it better than its previous version. I can actually tell you candidly that WordPress is actually a fantastic platform that is very simple and easy to use for any beginner, and it's actually 10 times more popular than its closest competitors, site building tools just like Joomla and Drupal. Year after year, the WordPress community of software engineers have continued to add new features and to make it stand out in comparison to other platforms. I tell you that WordPress share of the web continues to grow upward. And short, when you create your own website using a WordPress, you're going to be in good company. Now, let's take a look at the services that WordPress provides. First, WordPress puts every page of your content into a nicely formatted, consistent layout. And it provides the links and menus that actually help your visitors get around your website, get to all the pages and posts on your website, and also a search bar that lets people actually dig through your archives. WordPress also lets your readers add comments using either your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter account so that you don't need to create a new account on your site. And if you add a few community created plugins there from the vast library of more than 100,000 plugins that WordPress provides, there's no limit to the challenges you can actually tackle and overcome on WordPress. Do you have it in mind to start an e-commerce website to sell products online? WordPress actually got your back. Do you want to set up a membership site? No issue. I tell you, WordPress actually got your back. Do you want to build a photo gallery? Do you want a website for your company? Do you want a personal blog? Or maybe you're just interested in building forums and collaborative workplaces? I tell you with utmost certainty, there's always a plugin and theme for that too. When WordPress was actually first released in 2003, it became well known worldwide as the most popular blog plugin platform available on the web. And I tell you, that is still the case today. However, as WordPress development has evolved over the years, it has actually grown from a blogging platform into a full-featured content management system that allows you to publish all sorts of content types to the web with very little technical ability or skill. Now, because you install WordPress on your web server and you access the backend control, the dashboard via WordPress is considered a web-based content management system. One particular thing about WordPress is that it is actually only limited by your own creativity and imagination. Because I tell you, it has the plugin and theme to actually fill up every space that you may encounter while developing any type of website. It's true that whatever you find a gap in WordPress framework, you'll find some sort of plugin that attempts to fill it. There's always a plugin and theme to actually fit in into whatever type of WordPress that you have in mind. WordPress is an open source. I mentioned this before. Therefore, the basic code that actually powers the WordPress software is open and available to the public for you to actually view, read, learn from, and maybe even apply your own projects. WordPress is licensed by the GPL V2 license from the Free Software Foundation. A copy of the license is actually included in every installation of WordPress software. So if you're careful to actually read this, you'll find it there. Basically, the GPL license gives anyone the ability to actually view, copy, and re-release or redistribute the code without any legal consequences. When you look at top websites that are actually making use of websites to develop for the development of the site. We have the New York Times, the Forbes, eBay, McLean, Sonning, Katy Perry, among others. I tell you that WordPress give you the following feature and more: customizable designs, SEO-friendly themes and sites, responsible mobile sites, high performance, manage on the go, high security, powerful media management, easy and accessible themes and plugins, free themes, free plugins. You can easily build your website from wherever you are in the world as long as you actually have an internet connection, because whatever you do on WordPress is all done online. You do not need to worry about disk space on your laptop. Also, you don't need to know how to code in HTML or PHP to use WordPress. Although, if you know how to code in HTML and PHP, it's still an advantage for you. But then you actually do not even need to know all this to actually make use of WordPress. WordPress has no special hardware requirement as long as you have an internet connection and a web browser. You're good to go. Because WordPress and its design tools are actually live on the web. They live on the web, so you can use a computer actually running Windows, Mac OS, Linux, something more exotic. It really doesn't matter. In fact, WordPress even gives you tools for quick and convenient blog posting through a smartphone, tablet, computer. If you need to discover more about WordPress, on your browser, just type in WordPress.org to visit our WordPress site. This is a free platform of WordPress where you have thousands of plugins and themes that you can actually make use freely. So this is the end of our video for today. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification button. Thank you.